I have here today a TL866 Mini Pro Universal Programmer. This is a garden variety. This one is a slightly upgraded model. It's got the serial programmer. I bought it like that. And what I'm going to do today is I'm going to investigate whether this does high voltage serial programming or not. I saw a very interesting article on YouTube that was posted by PlanC, and he had the TL866II Mark II Pro version, which is the deluxe model, and it has documentation saying that it will do high voltage programming. Now this one, I can't find any documentation regarding high voltage programming, but I'm going to find out if it does do it today. I've got a multimeter set up here, and I'm going to take a reading off pin 1, which is the reset, and pin 8, which is the ground. Now technically, when you're doing high voltage programming, the pin 1 or the reset pin will run at about 12 volts, not the standard 5 volts that you normally get out of a AT Mega, and that tells the programmer that it's going to set some special fuse settings. And if you have a bricked AT Mega, you're able to reset it to back to what it was, basically bring it back into a live mode. Now what I've got now is I've got positive and negative probe of a multimeter. The multimeter is set to 25 volts, so that's about 12 volts there. That's 5 volts, and that's about 12 volts there. Now I've got positive on pin 1 on the reset, and I've got ground on pin 8. Now this is the AT Mega 8, not the 88 but the 8. Now I'll set the program running just to program the memory, nothing special here, and you'll see that the multimeter quickly goes up to 12 volts and back down again, and I'll program it once again, and you can see it well goes into the 12 volt range, and I'll do it again. So that's 12 volts there, that's 5 volts there, and once more. So it definitely goes into the 12 volt range, so I would suspect that this will do high voltage programming. Now again, this is the TL866, the base garden variety model.